Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. I've got a drafty window behind me today. I've got a window insulation kit that I picked up at the hardware store. This one says it's easy. Let's find out how easy it is and if it works. First step is to take the double-sided tape that came with the window kit, and we're going to apply that on the outside of our window frame. So the double-sided tape is on our window frame. Now it's time to get the plastic up on the window. In this kit, it unrolls out of the canister, and it's important to have this cutting tab at the top of the canister when we start. So it's a rite of passage for every first-time homeowner or first-time apartment dweller to insulate their windows. And you can see it's not really that difficult to do. It is a little bit tricky because you're dealing with double-sided tape and plastic, and it kind of gets all over the place. But it's a very simple project. You'll save some money on your heating bills and be more comfortable over the winter.